Now to some more positive news now. A sigh of relief this evening for stakeholders in the fishing industry as approximately 10 of 15 crew members from a missing fishing boat have been found at sea. Giovanni Dennis has been tracking this story.
Never give up hope. We continue to pray that we would find the crew members. Our prayers seem to have been answered. We are very happy today.
A relieved CEO of the National Fisheries Authority, Gavin Bellamy. 10 of the 15 Hondurans on board a missing Jamaican fishing boat have been found.
The men were found by an oil tanker heading from Port Esquivel to Guatemala, drifting in a life vessel. The information that I have at this point is that 10 were saved by the oil tanker.
The men were said to be drifting at sea on the outskirts of Jamaican waters into Honduran waters today. The Falling Star, a lobster fishing boat owned by Rainforest Seafoods, has been missing since last week. There's still no word on the boat.
No reports are on sighting of the boat, but the most important thing that our prayers have been answered and the search by the Coast Guard, Jamaican, Caymanian, Cuban, and Honduran, we have been lucky enough to find at least 10 souls so far.
In the meantime, Mr. Bellamy says Honduran authorities are on their way to the oil tanker to retrieve the men.
When that is done, we'll get additional information. They'll probably more than likely be taken to Honduras, where they originated. So more than likely they'll be taken to Honduras from the oil tanker to receive medical care, etc. So we will then get more details.
The boat was due to arrive in Kingston last Friday. It was returning from routine maintenance in Honduras and stopped sending tracking signals on the afternoon of Tuesday, July 6. The vessel was 30 miles west of Pedro Bank. The 15 Hondurans are contracted to Rainforest Seafoods. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.